guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. It's a wonderful day. It's very cold, but it's so nice and sunny, and I really enjoy that. I just turned around to see if there's snow on the mountain still, and you can still see a little bit there because we had our first snow here. Okay, so a question came up about this beautiful town car. What did it cost when it was new back in 07? This is an 07 Lincoln Town Car Signature Limited, and back in 07 the most selling cars or vehicles in the United States were the Ford F-Series, so probably the Ford F-150 mostly, also the Super Duties, then the Chevy Silverado, the Toyota Camry, the Honda Accord, the Toyota Corolla, and the Dodge Ram. So those times, sounds like that's been forever, 07, but it's not been that long. And if you look at it today, we're still a truck country, but also we're an SUV country right now. Lincoln is now an SUV brand, and I think Chevy's kind of moving to that too. We're an SUV and an EV, or an EV SUV country, you should say. So the difference is, back then there were still some sedans like the Camry and the Accord, but not the town car, and also not its competitors. So mostly I think older folks that wanted a traditional vehicle bought this type of vehicle. So what did the owner spend for mine? I don't know, but I did a little bit of research, and roughly what they cost back then as the Signature Limited would have been $45,850 US dollars. So that would have been the price for it. Now I would say there was probably a fee, like a dealer fee, that came on top of it. So yeah, probably $500. Then probably, you know, the canvas top and all the gold lettering and badges, that probably cost some money too, you know. I would say that cost maybe about $2,000. I'm not sure. So you could roughly say 48,000 top, you know. How's that sound? That sounds like a lot of money for back in the day. It does. So that's one reason the town car wasn't as popular, because it was pretty pricey for having a vehicle that was back then a little bit dated already, you know, if you look at the competitors. Now, how much money is that in today's money? Well, I don't have the exact amount in my head, but I did type the base price in an inflation calculator, and it came out to $69,352, so roughly $70,000. And that calculator is from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, so that should be correct. So $70,000 vehicle, would you buy this for $70,000 if this was in today's money, and this was the standard? I don't know. I mean, it's a lot of money. On the other hand, pickup trucks, they cost that money nowadays. So we kind of moved away from sedans and moved into more luxurious pickup trucks. So I read that somewhere, that someone says the Cadillac from today is a luxurious pickup truck. Well, there might be some truth to that, and they are nice and comfortable, and they ride good, but there's nothing compared to a Lincoln Town Car, or also there's a bee flying around the camera now. There's not compared to a Lincoln Town Car or a full-size Cadillac. So all right, there you have it. So here you go, you have a $70,000 car here if it was in today's money, and it's up to you to know if it's worth it or if it's not worth it. So leave it at that, guys. I enjoy my town car. It's my favorite cars of all of my cars. I also really enjoy that truck that I recently bought. It's really fun to drive, and I really needed to haul stuff around. So it's a double win if you look at that like that. If you like the truck, go look at the video. So I would appreciate it. Would also appreciate if more of you would subscribe and leave a couple comments. It just helps me to know what I should do in my future videos if I get some feedback. Alright guys, have a wonderful day, and thank you for your support and for watching.